Hello, good afternoon children. Welcome to your maths class. My name is Parul Chandel and I am your maths teacher. So children, in our previous class you have seen and I have explained you about number system. So children, there are two types of number system. One is Indian number system and other is international number system. So in our previous class I have already explained you that what is number system and what is Indian number system. In Indian number system, we group the number from the right side, that is from right side into the group of 3, then 2, 2 and 2. So this Indian number system is followed in Indian subcontinent, that is India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. So what other countries follow? Well, other countries follow, that is international numbering system. So today we will see what is international numbering system. As the name suggests, international. International means worldwide. So other countries follow this international number system. Let's see what is international number system. So children, unlike Indian number system, in international number system we have three groups, or we can say we have three periods, that are ones, thousands and millions. Okay, ones, thousand and millions. And these groups are further divided into groups that are into further places, that are ones group divided in 3 digit, that is 763. Now thousand group also consists of 3 digit and millions group also consists of 3 digit. So how can we read this number? So children, this number can be read as 268 million, one group, then another group 354,000, then last group 763. So these are three groups. Now as we have read this number, we can group the digits also, that is by putting the comma, because these commas act as a separator of the numbers of the groups. So starting from the left side, because when we give the number name, when we write the number into in the words, we start from the left side. So from left side, in millions group we have 3 digit, and 3 digit, how we read 3 digit? We read 3 digit in 100, that is 268. And 268 lies in millions group, so it will be 268 millions. So children, it is very easy. You just have to group the number, or you have to read this number, and after that you have to apply this group name as 268 million. Now next, 354. So 354 lies in thousands group. So we will read it as 354,000. Then next, 763, 3 digit number 763, it lies in ones group. So children, just like Indian number system, we don't read ones, means you have to say 763 only. So it is 268,354,763. Now this groups are further divided into places, that are in ones group we have 3 digit, that is ones, tens, 100. In thousand group again we have 3 digit, that is 1000, 10,000, 100,000. And in millions group again we have 3 digit, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So these 9 digit numbers are consist of, or these 3 places consist of 9 places. These 3 groups consist of 9 places, that is ones group consists of these 3 places, that is ones, tens, 100. Thousand group consists of these 3 places, and millions group again consists of these 3 places. Now children, comparing between two number system. Now you have seen what is Indian number system and what is international number system. Again I am revising it, that in Indian number system, when I group the number from the right side from group of 3, then 2, 2 and 2, but in international number system we group the number in 3, 3 and 3 only. Okay, so these are the difference between these two number system. So let's compare what are the difference between these two number system and how do they differ and where are they similar. Let's see. So here in first column you can see that the places are written. So these are the places according to international number system. International number system. Now the second column here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. These are the places according to Indian number system. This is Indian number system. Okay. So first is international, second is Indian number system. So if we compare from the right side, you can see that in both the number system we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, then fifth place that is 10,000, and on the sixth place here in Indian number system we have lakh, and in international number system we have 100,000. So children, you can see from this comparison that when we have 5-digit number, that is from here to here, when we have 5-digit number, then the places are similar, then there is no change. But after 5-digit number, when we come to 6-digit number, there is a difference, that we have lakh, but in international number system we don't call lakh, there is 100,000. Well, for 7-digit number 10 lakh, and in international we have million. For 8-digit number we have crore in Indian number system, but in international number system we call it 10 million. Then for 9-digit number, that is a big number, for 9-digit number according to Indian number system we call it 10 crore, but in international number system we call it 100 million. So children, one more thing you can notice, that in Indian number system we have 100 place value only in the ones of group only in ones group. But in international number system we have 100 place value in ones group also. This is ones group. Ones group we have 100 place value, and in this is 1000 place value. So in 1000 place value again we have 100 place, that is 100,000, and in million group also we have 100 place. But in international in Indian number system we have only 10 place, that is 10,000, 10 crore, 10 lakh. Okay. Now let's compare again. What if we have 5-digit number? I will show you with an example that I have taken this 5-digit number, that is 1 and 4 times 0. So children, you can see first column is international and second column is Indian number system. So 1 lies in 10,000 according to Indian. So it will be it will be 10,000 because 1 lies in, it will be 10,000, but according to international number system 1 lies in 10,000. So according to international number system we call it again 10,000. So when we have 5-digit number, both number name are similar. मीन्स जब हमारे पास 5-डिजिट नंबर होगा तो अगर हमें इंडियन नंबर सिस्टम में इसको नंबर नेम देना होगा तो भी 10,000 आएगा, इंटरनेशनल में देना होगा तो भी 10,000 ही आएगा. लेट्स सी व्हाट अबाउट 6-डिजिट नंबर. So children, in 6-digit number, as you can see, 1 lies in, according to Indian number system, 1 lies in lakh group. So we will call it 1 lakh, and according to international number system, 1 lies in 100,000. So the place value of this will be 100,000. Now let's see what about 7-digit number. See, this is 7-digit number, and first of all start with the Indian number system. 1 lies in 10 lakh place, so it will be 10 lakh. Now according to international, 1 lies in millions group or million place, so it will be 1 million. So you can see the difference according to these digits. Okay. Now in 8-digit number, now see, from the Indian number system 1 lies in crore group, so we will name it as 1 crore. Well, in international number system 1 lies in 10 million, so we will call it 10 million. Now what if we have 9-digit number? So according to 9-digit number, first start with the Indian number system. 1 lies in 10 crore, so we will call it 10 crore, and according to international number system, this is 1 lies in 100 millions place value, so it will be 100 million. 10 crore, 100 million. So children, you have seen that in millions group we don't have lakh, we don't have crore, okay, we have only ones, thousands and millions group. Now I have taken this 9-digit number. Let's see how can we name it according to Indian as well as international. So first of all, you have to write the number, that is 6, 8, 9, 4, 7, 5, 3, 2 and then 1. So as I told you, grouping is most important. For grouping you have to put the comma, and as you all know that comma act as a separator of the numbers. Means जब भी आप comma लगाएंगे तो वो numbers को separate करेगा. From that you can read the number very easily. So children, according to Indian number system, what we have to do, we have to group the number from the right side. Always remember, whether it is Indian or it is international, you have to group the number from the right side only. So ones, tens, 100, after 3 digit you have to put the comma, then 2, 2, so after 2 digit you have put comma, then again from 2. So what are the places or what are the groups? These 3 numbers lies in ones group, then we have 1000 group, then lakh and then crore group, okay. So you can name it 68 crore, 94 lakh, 75,000 and 321. So don't call 1, okay. Now according to international number system, again first write the number 6, 8, 9, 4, 7, 5, 3, 2, 1. So children, what we do in international number system? In international number system, we divide the number into the group of 3, 3. Only into the group of 3, okay. In Indian number system we group from 3, then 2, 2 and 2, but here we have to group from the right side. Always remember, from the right side we have to group. So put here, after 3 digit put comma, then again after 3 digit put comma, and then after 3 digit no need to put comma because there are no numbers further. So in the starting there is no need to put the comma. Now what are the group names? First here, from here, that is ones group, then we have 1000 group, and then we have million group, okay. No lakh, no crore. So here 3 digit number, that is 689, means 689. 689 lies in millions group, so it will be 689 million, then 475,000 and then 321. So children, see, this is how we can write the number name, or we can write the numbers in words. 68 crore, 94 lakh and 75,321 according to Indian number system, the example which I have shown you in earlier slide. And according to international number system, see, the same number is same. First you have to put the comma and then write in words 689 million and then 475,000 and then 321. So children, I hope this is clear to you what is the difference between these two number system and what is the similarity between these two number system, that when we have 5-digit number then both number system are similar, but after 5-digit number there is lot of difference. So do practice at your home. That's all children. Goodbye.